Looking at your website, something struck me, and I always get the question about ESG investing, and I know you said they're not the same, but from a public standpoint, that's what we're looking at. You said this was much more private. You had a phrase in there that was beyond profits, and we touched on this a little bit, but can you tell me a little bit more about your investment thesis for renewable energy and the profitability within that space? Because at the end of the day, when people are putting money at something, ultimately they want to see the return. So they want there to be some sort of viable, not just an altruistic donation to, make you get so much resistance. Public schools are helpful, but every time there's a vote to raise the taxes, they vote it down, right? So it's got to be a profitable venture for people. So tell me a little bit more about how that works for you guys.
Yeah, you make a great point. It's important to distinguish, impact investing from donations, right? This is not philanthropy. There at the end there has to be a viable and reliable economic benefit to the investments. And I think one of the things that's made impact investing more popular, in addition to the social elements, are that there are fewer and fewer trade-offs between the social impact, the impact benefit, and the economic return. It used to be that you would expect from an impact investment there to be a lower economic return in exchange for the impact that's being delivered, and that is increasingly not the case, that you have to make these trade-offs, and particularly in renewable energy, the trade-offs, I don't think there's a trade-off at all. I think that we are able to generate market level risk-adjusted returns from our investments while delivering substantial economic or environmental and social impact.